It's obviously a great feeling to be back, back with the squad, and we were back a couple of weeks ago, but in the smaller groups. So the group which was training in the afternoon wasn't seeing the players, their teammates who were training later in the day. So it's obviously a very good feeling to see everyone, and to be able to train as a squad. Obviously, we are still getting back to the new normal, the normalcy, but it's exciting times, and really enjoyed our first two sessions as a squad. Obviously, we are following all the guidelines which are given by ICC and the Dubai Sports Councils. So you don't have many players in one lane. We are leaving out one lane in the center. So there's always the social distancing has been maintained, as much as possible. And when we're not doing any exercise where we don't have to, we're wearing masks whenever it is possible. All the sanitizers. We are disinfecting the balls. Basically following all the guidelines which are given by the ICC and the Sports Council, and we still have to be wary of the fact that the COVID-19 situation is, yes, obviously it's eased down a little bit, but the threat has not gone. So we have to be very smart, especially now being training in the squad as a squad. We still have to be very smart about this, and make smart calls. Hopefully, once the restrictions of and the borders, obviously it's the government decision, so once it's sorted, coach will be back. But we've been in touch, throughout this period. Whilst he was away, we were doing a lot of Zoom calls with him. I had a few Zoom calls with him, just one-to-one, and discussing how the way forward. Since we got back, we've been sharing our session videos with him. We've been filming our sessions. So we've had a lot of chat about that as well, and hopefully, I'm pretty sure things will ease out as well. The borders are opening, so hopefully he'll be here with the team soon. With obviously the test match between England and West Indies, that has opened the door for every cricket team around the world, and we are hoping that as we have opened our borders as well with all the restrictions. I mean, we are hoping that. Come September, October, we'll be able to host tournaments or bilateral series, because everyone's so eager to get back on the field, and hopefully we can do that in the near future, and that will be something really nice, and we all are looking forward to it.